In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this split face based abstract animation. The animation is using a basic cube-based shell mesh, but the shell mesh can be anything. We can also have multiple scatter meshes with different colors as well. This is how the scene looks like. I'm using Eevee with Bloom. The shell mesh has a collision physics, and the scatter mesh has a cloth physics. The scatter mesh was subdivided, and had its faces divided with the face split feature like this. Before scaling the faces, please pick individual origins. I'll show you what happens when there is no shell mesh blocking the scatter mesh. That looks good too, so the shell mesh is only an option. Please remember to turn off the gravity. I'll show you the details. Please remember to hide the shell mesh. Let's disable the shell mesh, duplicate the scatter mesh, and apply different colors. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.